Converting 15 to 18 character IDs in Salesforce with Excel Connector 365. Salesforce uses unique identifiers to distinguish records. These identifiers come in two formats: 15-digit, case-sensitive IDs, and 18-character, case-insensitive IDs. While the 15-character IDs are sufficient within Salesforce, the 18-character format ensures compatibility in environments that are case-insensitive, such as external integrations, report types, and tools like Excel. Converting to 18-character IDs is crucial for maintaining data integrity and avoiding errors. Converting a 15-character Salesforce ID with Excel Connector 365 is very straightforward. You'll need the list of IDs you'd like to convert in your Excel spreadsheet. Then simply select the IDs and click Admin Tools, Convert IDs. Excel Connector 365 will automatically convert your IDs to 18 characters in just one click. Watch all Excel Connector 365 tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.